Welcome to Tuesday's virtual Sneaky Camp. Today's nature activity is going to be called Nature Head. And in this activity, you are going to be drawing a face and then going out into nature and finding leaves, flowers, sticks, anything you can make the hair with. And if you want to go to mothernature.com, and that you can get a free printout of a face if you'd rather not draw it. To helping me again today will be Mark and Sarah. Materials you will need for this nature head activity will be paper, markers if you choose to draw the face, or again you can go to mothernature.com and get a free printable of a face, and some glue. The first step will be to draw your face. Notice Sarah has drawn that, and she has saved a space around the side and top to glue her items from nature. And there's Mark's. Nice job, you guys. Okay, now they're going to go out into nature and find things to make the hair with. Now they can use, Mark has his items from yesterday, from his scavenger hunt. He could use some of those as well. All right, so we'll check back in with them later once they gather their materials. Okay, Sarah and Mark have gathered some materials from nature, and Mark has drawn a face on his paper, and Sarah has chosen to draw the head, but she's using nature items to make the face also. So however you wish to do that will be perfectly fine. Now they're going to add the materials to their pictures.